Curious how to quickly and easily get your Taptap cash into your Gcash wallet? Alright, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Taptap app. Make sure you're logged in and have funds available in your Taptap account. Next, you'll need to locate the Send Money or a similar transfer option within the app. This is usually a prominent button or link, often found on the main dashboard or under a payment section. Once you select the Send Money option, you will probably be presented with a list of options, or you will be prompted to put in the recipient's information depending on the app design here. You will need to select Send to Gcash or something similar. Now, to begin the transfer, type the Gcash registered mobile number of the person you are sending money to, then specify the amount of money you wish to transfer. Double-check these details before moving on. Before confirming, review the transaction details. Make sure the Gcash number is correct and the amount is accurate. You might see a small fee associated with the transfer, so take note of it. If everything looks right, confirm the transfer. The app will likely ask for your PIN or use biometric authentication for security. Then, the transaction will be processed. Success! You should receive a confirmation message within the Taptap app. The person receiving the funds will receive a notification in their Gcash wallet. Transferring your Taptap funds to Gcash is quick, easy, and convenient. Be sure to like and subscribe for more money transfer tech tips. #TaptapTalkCash #money transfer tech.